Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the spark plug terminal on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. Remove the wire and boot from the spark plug. Use a small amount of liquid dish soap to lubricate the boot. Pull the boot off of the wire. You can now remove the old terminal if still intact. Install the new spark plug terminal by aligning it on the wire, then use pliers to help insert the end of the terminal through the insulation. Apply some liquid dish soap and slide the boot over the new terminal. Attach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.